guys, I'm sorry that the last lesson was kind of longer than I anticipated. We're gonna hopefully get through this quicker. This is called the electric and magnetic fields. And this is my last lesson for this week on physics, and then you guys can do that assignment on Google. So we're doing electric fields. If you remember from my last lesson, fields are invisible, they're a force, and they have direction called the vector. Like vector means there's a direction to it. It's a vector quantity. So when we talk about electric fields, we're talking about we have a charge, right? So if we have a charge, right, there is an invisible field that surrounds the charge. You know this because your hair stands on end. Like if you rub a balloon against it and your hair stands on end, there's like an invisible field that's making your hair stand on end, and that's called the electric field. Okay, so here's your charge, and this is what we call a test body. Okay, so a test body is what we use to determine the direction of the field. So this determines direction of field. Okay, so like in my gravitational field video that I just did with you guys, when you talk about a test body for gravitational field, it can be like an apple, okay? So let's say here's the Earth and here's the apple. Well, in which direction will the apple fall? The apple will fall in that direction, right? The apple is my test body, and my test body tells me the direction of the field. In the case of gravity, it's towards the Earth, right? Now, if the test body is positive and there's a positive charge, in which direction will the field go? The field will go out. Why is that? Because remember, in terms of charges, opposite charges attract, same charges repel. So if you put a positive test body in a positive field, this positive charge is going to repel the positive test body. So now what would happen if I had a negative field, a negative charge here? And I brought a positive test body. In which direction will the field go? The field would go this way. Okay, so that is the direction of the field.